For 20 years now, we have been supplying leading companies worldwide with innovative units and systems for drying out buildings and restoration of water damages. Leaders in quality, technically advanced and professional design, developed and produced in Germany. Our modern building dryers dry inside spaces quickly and easily. They are powerful, energy-saving and durable. All of our systems are designed to work together. If you have to dry out cavities after water damages in vacuum or pressure mode, Ariel supplies always the right system. And for smaller jobs, Ariel has also developed extra light compact dryers. Ariel, ultimate quality engineering and design, made in Germany.